What is up, YouTube? Back at it again here. Second YouTube video. Doing it big here. Going to play MLB The Show. Just don't actually have that. And I think we're gonna start off with. We're gonna go big, and we're gonna start off with one of the worst teams. We're gonna go with the Miami Marlins. And I'm going to put the DHs on. As you can see, everything else is fine. And let me know if you guys want to know how to put your own music in this. Actually, I have my own music on the actual game itself, the sounds of the show. And a tip: when you're going into this, always do the training, go right and then left for every single player. First guy on our list that I want to try to get is Bryce Harper. And the only way to get him right now, according to this, is giving up Giancarlo, which I am perfectly willing to do. But let me edit this offer. I don't want to give up Yelich. One of my favorite things about MLB The Show's trading system, it has that little bar down there, so you kind of get the gist of how far you are from the actual trades, unlike other games like 2K and Madden and stuff, where you just kind of wing it. Excuse me, guys. Let's see. The reason I'm getting rid of Giancarlo is his contract, for one, is way bigger than Bryce's. And even though Bryce is in his final year of his contract, I have a feeling that we'll be able to re-sign him, and he's younger, so he's not injury prone the way Giancarlo is. I just feel like overall he's a better player. And we're not really giving up much for him. We'll give up Yelich. It's not a problem. We'll work around that. Let me see if we could try to get someone out of them. Any prospect, really. So it's not too lopsided towards their side. Look at that. Let's see what we could try to get from them right here. Alright, so we'll just do this guy right here. My bad, guys, I lost this guy. Alright, so that's our new. Let's see, what else we gotta work around. I'd like to get some more pitching. Now we do need another fielder. Let's see. I highly doubt we could get Cueto. They're gonna be asking for way too much. Let's see what they want for Erod. Let's see what else we could take from them. Carson Smith for our bullpen. Bringing a Hanley back, no, and maybe a Brock. See, you got Justin Bohr, Ozuna, and Carter Caps. That's definitely not happening, but Let's see, no Carter Caps, and I feel like we'd be destroying our we'll give up Dietrich. I don't want to give up Bohr, but we could always, let's see. Let's see, what can we get for D Gordon? Let's see. I'm not saying I want to trade him. I just want to see the trades people will give us. Stroman is definitely a pitcher that I would want. Hey, look, Cuero. Let me see. I'll go. Let me see what I can get for him. He should be fairly cheap to get. Shields and let me see Tyson Ross. Yeah, not giving up Jared Cosart. But for James Shields, we got AJ Ramos, which I don't want to give up. Dietrich. Let's see what else we got here. Let me see what we could get for Kenta Maeda. Adani. I just don't want to give up Carter Caps. Let me go back to the Red Sox and try to get Carson Smith. Let me see if there's any way we could get Mookie Betts. Yeah, I didn't think so. Actually, let's see, and we'll also be giving up you know what? I think we'll do this trade right here for Mookie Betts, Brock Holt, and Carson Smith, and then turn around and get Eduardo Rodriguez. He's too good to give up. But you know what? We'll give him up. We can't give up Martin Prado because we wouldn't have. Unless you could. Yeah, but Henley's making so much more money. Let's see. Let me see if there's any way we can make this trade. I just wanna. Let me see something. This game's always coming through here. Let me actually go back and put Carson Smith, Brock Holt, and Mookie Betts. And let me sim up to right here. Yes. Let me see. That's what I thought would happen. Put in a claim for Yelich. And let me see what else happens now. Yelich is back. So our outfielder now is looking like Bryce, Mookie, and Yelich. Unless maybe Boston releases Ozuna. It looks like they decided to go through the whole year with him. Let's end spring training. And oh, you got, I don't have anyone. So what we do need to do is trade for another starting pitcher. And I feel like he's our best bet. Let me see if we could get Bohr back. And maybe trade away someone like Prado. We save money, we take back Bohr, and we could always put Brock Holt at third. Let's see. We're gonna give up straight trash. Where's Dietrich? I don't know if we're able to pull off this trade. Yeah, I didn't think so. Let's take Prado out and Dietrich out. Let's take him out. Actually, we will take Hanley and then start from there. Yeah, that's definitely never happening.